Welcome to Liderazgo. More importantly, welcome to our e-learning platform. This video will take you through a step-by-step guide on how to navigate our newly upgraded e-learning platform. So let's get started. Once a request for e-learning has been received, a registration link to the online platform will be sent where the candidates can now register themselves. Click Create New Accounts. Once you've selected Create New Account, fill in all the required fields as well as selecting the course you would like to enroll for. So that will be entering your username, your password, your email address, your first name, your last name, your ID number, the company that you work for, and the course that you'd like to enroll for. After that, click Create My Account. Once you've done that, an email will be sent to the email address provided where the learner will need to confirm their accounts. You are now going to undergo our learner authentication. You will be required to upload the necessary documents. Once the documents have been uploaded, they will be verified by our admin team. You will receive an email once you've been enrolled into the necessary course, and when you click on the link, you'll be navigated back onto the platform. Once back onto the platform, you are going to click Watch the Welcome video. After watching the welcome video, you will be directed to complete the learner registration form by clicking on the link provided. Once you've completed this step, it will say Done. You will then be directed to complete the knowledge check, where you are going to click Attempt Quiz. Once you've selected the correct answer, you can continue clicking Next Page on the right-hand corner in order to move on to the next questions. Once you've completed all of the questions, please click Finish Attempt. If you are happy with your answers, click Submit All and Finish. Once a learner guide or manual has been downloaded, click on the first module of the course that you've been enrolled for. As the presentation pops up, you are going to press play and watch the slideshow presentation. Once the slideshow presentation has been completed, click Assessment Activity 1 and answer all the questions. You can continue clicking Next Page on the right-hand corner in order to move on to the next questions. Once you've completed all of the questions, please click Finish Attempt. All modules have been completed. Move on to the final assessment by clicking Summative Assessment. You'll be directed to the summative page and click Attempt Quiz. Once you've completed all the questions, click Finish and Attempt. Once you've completed the summative assessments, you need to click Learner Feedback Form. Complete the learner feedback form by clicking the answer questions. You will not be able to continue with the course until all questions have been answered and the form has been submitted. You can now click on certificate option below to download your certificate. Lastly, click on the Get Certificate and the certificate will open in a new tab where you'll be able to view, download and print your certificates. We've reached the end of our step-by-step guide on how to navigate our e-learning platform.